What if two simple moves could make walking, climbing stairs, and staying independent way easier? Try these. They stop falls. Today I'll show the two best leg exercises for seniors that build strength and balance fast. No gym required. Follow along slowly, use a chair for support, and stop if anything hurts. One of the simplest yet most powerful exercises for seniors dealing with foot or leg discomfort is the sit to stand. This movement directly builds strength in the knees, hips, and thighs, while also training balance and the functional power needed to stand up, walk, or climb stairs with confidence. Strengthening these areas reduces pressure on the plantar fascia because the body distributes weight more evenly and efficiently. It is a functional exercise that mirrors daily activities, making it both practical and effective. To perform the sit to stand, begin by sitting in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, and arms crossed in front of your chest, or resting lightly on the chair for balance if needed. Engage your core, lean forward slightly, and push through your heels to rise to a standing position without using your hands for support if possible. Slowly lower yourself back down in a controlled motion, keeping your knees aligned over your toes. Safety is key, so always ensure the chair is stable and placed against a wall if extra support is required. Common mistakes to avoid include letting the knees cave inward, rising too quickly, or using momentum instead of muscle strength. For practical training, aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, performed 2 to 3 times per week. Beginners can start with higher chairs or keep their hands on the chair arms for balance, while those who are more advanced can progress by holding light hand weights, slowing the lowering phase, or performing the movement from a lower chair. Over time, this exercise not only strengthens the lower body, but also enhances independence and reduces the risk of falls. Strengthening the ankle and plantar flexor muscles through calf raises is one of the simplest yet most effective ways for seniors to improve balance and stability. Stronger calf muscles provide better steadying reactions, which help reduce the risk of stumbles or falls during daily activities. This exercise not only supports the plantar fascia by improving load tolerance, but also enhances overall mobility and walking confidence. How to do it? Step by step. Stand tall behind a chair or near a wall for support. Place your feet about hip width apart. Slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground as high as comfortable. Pause briefly at the top, then lower the heels back down under control. Avoid bouncing or rushing through the movement, as slow and steady action builds more strength and stability. Reps, sets, frequency, and progressions. Begin with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, performed 3 to 4 times per week. Rest briefly between sets. As strength improves, gradually increase to 20 repetitions per set, or add an extra set for more challenge. Modifications and balance challenge. For those with weaker balance, keep both hands lightly resting on a stable surface such as a countertop. If the basic version feels too easy, try single leg calf raises, performing the movement with one foot while lightly holding support. Another way to increase the challenge is to perform the exercise on a step, lowering the heels slightly below the edge before pressing up again. This expanded range of motion builds greater strength and also stretches the calf muscles more effectively. The legs and ankles are the foundation for nearly every daily movement. Strong muscles in these areas make it easier to sit down, stand up, walk safely, and maintain balance. That is why exercises targeting these parts of the body are so powerful, especially for seniors. By training the calf and plantar fascia through heel raises and combining them with functional sit-to-stand practice, the benefits carry directly into real-life tasks, such as getting out of a chair, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Begin with a gentle warm-up, such as ankle circles or marching in place for 1 to 2 minutes. Then move into a simple circuit. Perform 10 to 15 sit-to-stand repetitions. Rest briefly and follow with a set of slow, controlled heel raises on a step. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times, allowing short breaks in between. Finish with a cool down of gentle calf stretches and deep breathing. For best results, aim to complete this mini routine at least twice a week, which aligns with standard physical activity guidelines for older adults. It is important to recognize the difference between safe muscle fatigue and concerning pain. A mild muscle burn or light soreness is expected, but sharp pain, sudden dizziness, or worsening swelling are warning signs to stop immediately and contact a healthcare provider. Seniors who are frail, recovering from surgery, or dealing with balance challenges should begin under supervision and use the support of a chair or wall until they feel steady. Prioritizing safety ensures that these exercises build strength without increasing risk. These 2 simple moves, sit to stand and heel raises, can strengthen your legs, support your ankles, and make everyday activities easier. Stay consistent with just 2 sessions per week, and you will notice real progress. Try this routine and let me know in the comments. Which felt more challenging for you, standing up repeatedly or holding those heel raises?